I am thinking that I might get a Steam show today. And I do not know what's up with the Amana. Oh, it's defrosting now. It wasn't on before. Now it seems to have turned on. It was all frozen when I got here, but it was off. So the Amana is defrosting right now, again. It is a little after 3 p.m. It's above freezing, but the wind chill makes it feel like it's below freezing. But I am thinking I might be getting a Steam show from the Ream. It looked a little bit frozen up. See the ice melting off the Amana. Again, this is like the ultimate Steam show heat pump right here. Fellow YouTuber told me I should try and see how many videos I can get of this thing defrosting this winter, and funny thing is, it ain't even winter yet. Can't tell if it's steaming yet. But yeah, I only got one camera battery. The other one died, and it needs to be recharged. This one has a decent amount of charge left, but I don't trust it. And if the camera dies, I got my iPhone with a decent amount of charge on it. So, this thing defrosts today, I'm gonna film it. And I think I saw some frost built up on there. Yep. Yep, I do believe it's frozen. Hope this damn thing defrosts before it shuts off. And now the Amana is starting to steam. And the steam is concentrated more towards the bottom of the unit. And you know what I just realized? I forgot to feed the meter. So as soon as this one gets defrosting, I'll go put 25 cents in the parking meter. That ought to be good for about an hour. This might be the best one yet. Look at that. It's like coming from the bottom. Yeah, I believe this is the either the 5th or the 6th Steam show I've got from this unit, and it isn't even winter yet. And you can really see the steam over there. But I really want the good old stamped octagon here to defrost. Look at that steam. Should probably turn back on any second now. That is a steam show. That right there is a steam show. Should be coming on any second now. Look at that steam. Holy shit. It's a lot of steam. That is a lot of steam. I knew these were perfect conditions for a steam show. Look at that. That might be the best one yet. Look at that. Holy shit. I just heard a click. There it goes. Damn, man. It's still spewing steam out too. Holy crap. Damn. There's still steam. It's still steam. There's still steam in the vicinity. Holy crap. That was the best steam show ever. Sucks it didn't come from the Ream, but I think that's got to be the best steam show I have ever filmed. Ever. Better than the Train XL 1800, better than that Tech 2000. Just the best damn steam show, period. And the Ream's staying running, so I'm going to hold out for a defrost cycle. And let's see what the temperature is. iPhone, like I said, can give me precise how do I update it? According to the thing on my iPhone, I'm still in New Jersey. And it's 32 degrees. Oh, here we go. 32 degrees here. It is 32 degrees right now, so it's freezing. It's actually freezing now. It was slightly warmer earlier, though the wind chill still made it feel like it was below freezing. But it is now officially freezing according to my iPhone. Local weather, 32 degrees. That was the most epic steam show ever, without a doubt. Wonder if one of the round ones is defrosting. I don't even know if those are heat pumps or not. Let's go see what the round one looks like. And then I gotta put money in the meter, so my truck doesn't get a parking ticket on it.